In this short video, we are going to take a look at a feature called noise removal. We tap the top right of the screen and then access the microphone icon. I simply select that and enable or disable noise removal. By selecting the setting called neutral, you can allow the background noises to not be filtered out if for whatever reason you would like background noises present in the call. Otherwise, there are two options. The first is to choose noise removal to allow the system to filter out things like keyboard tapping, lawnmowers, barking dogs, etc. The second option is called optimize for my voice. This is the same as the first option of noise removal, but it also includes the ability to filter out other human voices in the vicinity except your own. Finally, with any of these settings, you can record your voice and play it back to see how you will sound to the other meeting participants. This allows you to hear how you will sound to other people and to select the right option for your environment.